summer combo of the day. So gagawa tayo ng pangmalakasang summer combo. Alright, and ang gagamitin natin ay itong dalawang perfume na hawak natin. Alright, so si Above the Clouds, which is a dupe of your Afternoon Swim. And of course, I'll have Officer, which is a dupe of your Dior Sauvage. Alright, so alam niyo naman si Above the Clouds, mostly citrus, orange, mandarin. And then itong si Officer, it's going to be your ambroxan and as well as your lavender and bergamot, of course. Okay? Ano nga ba ang kakalabasan ng dalawang perfume na to pag pinagsama natin? So let's spray Above the Clouds sa ating left wrist. Okay? And then I'll have Officer also on our left wrist. Okay. Fresh, citrusy na combination. Pinagsama mo yung ambroxan ni Dior Sauvage and ang kanyang mandarin naman ni Above the Clouds or Afternoon Swim. Grabe. Ang fresh, the scent profile is very invigorating. Parang mabubuhayan kapag namoy mo tong scent combination na to. Kakaiba. As in, maamoy mo kasi usually si Dior Sauvage na mostly ambroxan and then yung lavender and your bergamot. Pero this time around, pinagsama mo yung ambroxan and then this time around mandarin orange na alam mo yun, nakakabuhay, nakakagana kasi ang fresh. Ang fresh ng amoy niya na nakakapanibago kasi nga you're used to the ambroxan scent of your Sauvage na may kasamang bergamot. But this time around, sinamahan mo siya ng mandarin orange. So, yun. Alright, so highly suggested. Itong ating perfume na to is gonna be very good for your summer, for your night out, for your office, your school. You know, this is a scent DNA na pwede mong gawing signature scent. Okay? If you have these DNA in your collection, it doesn't have to be these brands naman. You can go ahead and try it out. Okay? And then let me know also your experience with combining these two perfumes sa iyong daily wear. Okay? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye!